Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adams Principle. What a day. What a 24 hours it's been. April fix had a lot of dollar selling, a big euro yen buying, because I saw that, dollar yen wasn't really coming off as it should be, with broad dollar selling. So a bit of sort of jiggery pokery there. Just be careful of trying to fade this this weakness on the dollar. Interesting, but overnight risk took a hit and Trump up to his old tricks, attacking China, involving the T word, tariffs. It's all about tariffs. Now, we are slowly, stutteringly, probably interestingly, near to the firing of the election gun. Yes, there is a US election. How about that? We all forgot about that. But Trump talking up, at the blame game, talking the tariff game. And this obviously was not good for risk assets. So obviously we had the fix, euro dollar higher. Let's look at the first chart, which is euro dollar. Look at here, okay, we had the fix basing around 108.30s. Then we had a bit of a pause around 109.60, and we're breaking through that into 85s, 90s. Looking for a close, obviously end of week. Should be interesting to see what Monday does, but looking for a close above this to have a real go at 110.62. This is interesting because if this breaks, then we are very bullish. Breaking that 50% fib is key. But I would expect some bears to turn up there with some pretty big offers. That's just a gut instinct from me. So let's look at the second slide. Okay, Aussie, the big recipient of risk moves. Equities obviously leading the risk charge. But yeah, Aussie now off its highs, but 64.30. That's the key pivot here. There's a trend line, but also the 76.4 on the fib from the highs around the 10th to the lows around the 20th. So this is I wouldn't really be fading this move, but just be careful of doing that. But yeah, into the weekend as well, you'll get some sort of rebalancing after the fix as well. Some adjustments there into the first day of the month. Next slide. Okay, so we've got our old friend dollar yen. Very complicated pair at the moment. Lots going on in there. 10-year yields, equities, and some dollar in there as well. Just be careful because this 106.70, bit of a level. 108.02, probably your range there. And we've got the mid-Bollinger Band on the 4-hourly, snuggling up to that 106.70 as well. But I would stay away from dollar yen. That's just myself. Sit on your hands. Obviously, it's Friday, and all is not well with that. It's quite a complicated pair at the moment. More than euro dollar, which is saying something. And the next slide we have is dollar CAD. Oil being just absolutely rampant. A lot of volatility in there. Not the best correlation at the best of times, but here we have it. 138.60s, found a base there, and now we march on through past that 140, 140.23, 141.07, the next level, and quickly, finally, the last slide, cable, 125.20, and that's your lot. This is Patrick Reed from the Adams Principle. Watch that risk and stay safe. Have a nice weekend.